Email marketing is a great way for businesses of all shapes and sizes to retain current customers and generate relationships with potential customers. It's been a popular choice now for quite a few years and is used every day by small businesses and global brands alike. It's popular with a range of businesses for a simple reason: it works really well. But if you are new to email marketing, then it can seem pretty daunting at first. What software do you use? How do you set it up? How do you design a mailer? What type of design works best? In this quick video, we will help to take the mystery out of it. We'll be outlining how quickly and easily it is to get up and running with successful campaigns, and most importantly, how to avoid the pitfalls that beginners often fall into. So first up, let's take a look at what are the main advantages offered by email marketing. Email marketing is very cost effective to do. If you compare it to some of the more old school methods such as mail shots or printed media advertisements, email marketing costs a fraction. Here at Email Blaster, for example, it costs £12.99 to send an email campaign to 2,000 recipients. Modern cloud-based email marketing software makes it very easy to use. It's possible for everyone with no prior experience to produce a professional-looking campaign very quickly. Modern software will have an easy-to-use click-and-drag designer and usually a library of pro-designed templates available for you to use. Click and drag means that you can drag all of your images into place and cut and paste any text that you want to. This is great because it means you don't have to have any HTML coding experience. Using one of the library templates also means a great looking design is almost ready. All you need to do is personalize it with your own text and images. So if you're a one-man band or short on time and resources, then modern email marketing software will make life so much easier as it will do all of the heavy lifting for you. Cloud-based software also means that you don't have to be tied to your desktop computer. You can log into any device connected to the internet. Email marketing software will have an analytics suite. This will enable you to see the results of how people are interacting with what you are sending. This makes your marketing completely transparent. You can see who opened, who read, who clicked, who unsubscribed from your email marketing. This is a really powerful tool to have at your disposal. Having the knowledge that people are liking or not liking what you are sending means that you can make fine-tuned changes if you need to. In this next section, we are going to outline some of the key strategic points to follow with your email marketing. These are really easy to employ and will help to make your marketing as successful as it can be. Check thoroughly before sending. Now, it's really easy to overlook this one. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in other areas, like how good the design looks. Something as simple as proofreading is often overlooked, but a typo or two can stick out like a sore thumb to your recipients. As well as proofing the text, it's important to check that all of your links work properly. It's so easy to mistype a link, causing it to stop working. It's pretty common for email marketers also to forget to enter a subject header line. Nothing looks worse than receiving an email that says, "Enter your subject header line here." And generally, this is the first thing that viewers will see. Verify your sending domain. If you're using email marketing software, your emails will appear as being from you, but they are sent via your software provider's sending servers. Some mail filters can view emails it's sent in this way as suspicious, as they appear to be from a different person. Verifying your sending domain means adding a seal of authenticity to your domain. This passes the strictest of mail filters requirements in terms of security. Check for consistency on different devices. If you're sending email marketing this year, then your recipients will be opening your message on a variety of different devices. This means that when you're designing your email, you need to make sure it looks great on both mobile and desktop devices. As more and more of us using mobile devices as our preferred option for viewing an email, it's really important to check your email design. Now, modern software will provide you with a simulated view of what this looks like on mobile and desktop. Email Blaster, for example, will give you the ability to create a fluid design that works well on all devices. Email Blaster also offers you the ability to exclude some elements for mobile devices. So when designing for a 5-inch mobile screen, you could offer a slimmed down content to your recipients. Your call to action serves as an instruction for your viewers to do something. It gives your email marketing a purpose. This could be a prompt to visit your online store or to contact you. What works here is a large coloured button. This should be big and clear and in the top half of your mailer. As lots of us are reading emails on mobile, large buttons work really well. Using a mix of tone and content works really well. Your recipients tend to get bored if they keep receiving variations of the same message. In order to really boost conversions of your sales emails, it's worth mixing these emails with others that focus on news and tips, for example. Sharing tips and knowledge with your users really helps to build loyalty and value. It ensures that you aren't flooding your recipients with the same sales campaign. With analytics, you have complete visibility over how people are interacting with your email. You can see how many people opened, read, clicked, bounced, or unsubscribed. Successful email marketing is all about identifying trends in your stats and basing your future campaigns around this. For example, are more people reading your campaign on mobile than desktop? Are they reading inside or outside of working hours? Which link is the most popular? By gathering this information and acting on it, you can really boost the effectiveness of your email marketing. You can tailor your sends based on people's preferences. Segment your data depending on the results. Leading on from the last point, segmenting your data is all about splitting people into groups based on their previous interactions. For example, you may have a group of people who prefer to receive an email in the evening rather than during a working day, or vice versa. You can then split these lists into evening people and daytime people and send to each group at their preferred time. Any decent email marketing software will give you the ability to automatically build these lists based on previous campaigns. Over the last few years, email marketing and social media have become very closely linked indeed. In this year, it will continue to build. When you send out your email marketing, you can also share a web-based version of your campaign to your social media feeds. This really helps to broaden your reach as your campaigns are seen by your email subscribers and social media followers. Any decent email marketing software will be able to automate this for you. This means that when you send out your campaign, the software will automatically post a copy to your social feeds. Automating this process makes it really quick and easy to extend your reach. So it's really easy to get started quickly with email marketing. Modern cloud-based software makes it very easy indeed. If you follow these quick tips that we've outlined today, it will really help you to make your email marketing as successful as possible. We'd love to hear how you get on, so please share your experiences in the comments box below. Also, if you have any tips for this year, then please add them below. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it useful and informative. Thank you.